Welcome. Our topic coverage in this review questions is all about in the Book 2 of LTOM, specifically in Section 48, the professional tax, and Section 49, the community tax. Number 1, who is most likely required to pay professional tax? A. Individuals who passed government licensure examination. B. Individuals who passed civil service examination. C. Highly skilled individuals. D. Individuals engaged in the exercise of a profession. Answer, letter D. The professional tax is primarily imposed on individuals who are engaged in the exercise or practice of a profession. It is not solely dependent on passing a government licensure examination and/or civil service examination. Highly skilled individuals may fall under the category of those engaged in a profession, but the requirement to pay the professional tax applies to anyone who practices a profession or calling. Number 2, what is the maximum amount of professional tax that can be imposed? A. 500 pesos. B. 300 pesos. C. 1000 pesos. D. 200 pesos. Answer, letter B. The amount of professional tax shall not exceed 300 pesos, or the rate provided under a duly enacted local ordinance, subject to adjustment not exceeding 10% every 5 years. Number 3, if a professional is engaged in selling or trading articles of commerce, are they liable to pay the local business tax? Please choose the best answer. A. Yes, they are always liable to pay the local business tax. B. No, selling or trading does not affect their professional tax liability. C. Only if they earn more than 100,000 pesos per year from selling or trading. D. Yes, if it does not constitute the practice of their profession. Answer, letter D. If a professional is actually engaged in selling, trading, or distributing any articles of commerce that do not constitute the practice of their profession, they shall be liable to pay the annual local business tax to the city or municipality concerned. Number 4, who is required to pay the community tax? A. Individuals below 18 years of age. B. Individuals who do not own real property, no income earning. C. Individuals who have been regularly employed for at least 15 consecutive working days. D. Individuals required by law to file an income tax return. Answer, letter D. Individuals who are required by law to file an income tax return are liable for the payment of the community tax. Number 5. What is the rate of the annual community tax payable by individuals? A. 5 pesos only. B. 5 pesos plus an additional tax of 1 peso for every 10,000 pesos of income. C. 5 pesos plus an additional tax of 1 peso for every 1,000 pesos of income. D. 10 pesos plus an additional tax of 1 peso for every 5,000 pesos of income. Answer, letter C. The rate of the annual community tax payable by individuals is 5 pesos plus an additional tax of 1 peso for every 1,000 pesos of income. Number 6. Which of the following individuals is not liable to pay the basic community tax? A. an individual engaged in business or occupation earning less than 10,000 pesos each month. B. An individual who owns real property with an aggregate assessed value of 4,000 pesos. C. An individual who has been regularly employed on a wage or salary basis for only 50 consecutive working days during the calendar year. D. A transient visitor who stayed in the Philippines for only 3 months. Answer, letter D. Transient visitors are exempt from paying the community tax when their stay in the Philippines does not exceed 3 months. Number 7, XYZ Corporation has its branches in City A and City B. Its principal office is located in City C. Where should XYZ Corporation pay the community tax? A. In City C, where its principal office is located. B. In each city where its branch offices and principal office are located. C. In the city of its choice. D. It is exempted from paying the community tax. Answer, letter A. The community tax should be paid in the city or municipality where the principal office of the juridical entity is located. Number 8. If a person loses the benefit of exemption on or before the last day of March, how many days does he have to pay the community tax without becoming delinquent? A. 10 days. B. 20 days. C. 30 days. D. 40 days. Answer, letter B. If a person loses the benefit of exemption on or before the last day of March, he has 20 days to pay the community tax without becoming delinquent. Number 9. How much is the fee for issuing a community tax certificate to individuals not subject to the community tax? A. 10 pesos. B. 5 pesos. C. 1 peso. D. 0. Answer, letter C. A CTC may be issued to any person or corporation not subject to the community tax upon payment of 1 peso. Number 10. John, a resident of the Philippines, is engaged in a business and earned a gross income of 450,000 pesos. What is the total amount of community tax he needs to pay? A. 450 pesos. B. 455 pesos. C. 500 pesos. D. 1,400 pesos. Answer, letter A. Total tax equals basic tax plus additional tax, so total tax equals 5 pesos plus 450 pesos, therefore total tax equals 455 pesos. Note that the additional taxes equals 1 peso per 1,000 pesos of gross income. Additional tax equals 450,000 pesos divided by 1,000, ultimately additional taxes equals 450 pesos. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment your questions and clarifications below. For continuation of this video, please see the link in the comment section.